Hey guys, it's Nate and this is the Nader Tater channel. Alright, I have two electric snow machines here. They're both Greenworks 40 volt systems, so they're battery powered. This one is a 20-inch snow blower, and then behind it is a 12-inch power shovel. So it has a little paddle that paddles for you. I have about 10 inches of snow, I'd say. It started out being very wet, and then as it went overnight it got colder, and so it got fluffier. So the top's kind of fluffy, but the bottom layer is like frozen, kind of icy stuff, so it's kind of hard to get, especially now we've packed it down with the cars. But I'm gonna give these guys a run for their money, see what they do here, and we'll see which one performs the best. Alright, so first up we got this little snow blower here. You press this button and you pull this thing and it goes. Alright, so that's what happens if you push it too hard intentionally on this wet snow, is it has a self shut off. So I wanted to show you guys that. Alright, so that's basically kind of the limit of it. That really wet stuff that's clogged up, if I try to push down and scrape, it basically can't do it. Now, just for illustration, I want to see if the snow shovel can actually handle that. It's the same battery, so you know, a lot of these things are battery limited. So by having a 12-inch wide unit, it might actually be more powerful. All right, so what you can see here is the power shovel is actually better at clearing it, and it's because it's not the limit of the motor, it's the limit of the battery. So the battery only has so much amps that it can put out, and over 12 inches is obviously more powerful, more cutting than the snow blower. So that's actually kind of interesting that this handheld one is more powerful. Yeah, this thing's a beast. All right, so let's see if the uncompacted, you know, where I didn't drive on it, if this snowblower can do it. All right, so yeah, you just have to take it slow and you can make it. It's a little slower than the shovel. All right, so I just need to get it off the garage so I can get my big snowplow out with my Bobcat. So, you know, for the lighter stuff, I really like the snow blower because it's easier to handle, it's on wheels. But obviously for the thicker stuff, if you need power, the actual power shovel is actually a better machine for clearing that deep snow out. So cool machines, I like them. Easy to use, pump in the battery, you're good to go. Don't deal with gas and stuff, but they do have their limitations.